Hi everyone! In this video, I'm just going to be showing all the things I did to prepare for my son's first birthday. And starting off, I just like to get right into it with no real intro. That might change one day, but for now, we're just getting right into it. And I am starting off by making him a Highchair Banner. I got the idea for a Highchair Banner from just different YouTubers, and then I just came up with what I wanted for my son's celebration. And and then I just went to the store and got a few items needed. It was pretty simple, and I'm really not a crafty person at all, and I was able to come up with something that I liked, so I'm confident that pretty much anyone can do this. Here I'm starting to put the ribbons on this piece of yarn. I guess it is rope. And I just went ahead and fast forwarded so that you guys didn't have to watch me struggle to figure out how to how to get them on properly so that they looked good. I'm just showing some of the party decorations and pretty much everything that I collected over the last several months for the party. I didn't end up using some of the decorations, but and now, as you can see, I'm just hanging these star banners all over under the balcony. We had an outdoor party. We have a pool. My parents have a pool in their backyard, so we just use their house for gatherings. And so I was able to just decorate it as I pleased, and that was nice. If anyone is interested, I got the star banners off Amazon, and I got these swirly things from Party City, and then I got these stars that I'm putting on the wall in the next scene. I got those from the dollar store. And this happy birthday set of balloons is also off Amazon. just making the cupcakes, and these ones were really a hit. They were really good, moist and everything. I know the angle's not the greatest, but the tripod that I have doesn't really like bend, so it's hard to get certain angles. But yeah, just, doing the boxed cupcakes and then decorating them with some frosting that I colored blue, and then I just put some sprinkles on and some cute little toppers that I got off of Etsy, which you'll see here pretty soon. Now it's the day of the party, and I'm just kind of rushing to get everything else set up. These are actually some fake flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby that I think are really pretty. And so I set those up and then set up all the furniture outside, and then I set up the table with all the food. And the food that we got, we just had it catered from Kowalski's. My mom insisted on paying, which was really nice. So that was nice, and the food was really good, and it was enough to serve, like 15, 20 people several times. So that was cool. Here I'm just finishing up the table before we put all the food out. We waited for everyone to arrive before putting the food out so that it didn't get too like warm or gross or anything because it was really hot this day. And this is just some confetti that I bought off Etsy that I'm laying down.
Do you think we should save this cutlery afterwards?
Totally up to you. I know these chocolate cupcakes aren't wonderfully displayed, but at this point in the party, I was pretty tired and just didn't care anymore.
Be cool, huh? Be cool, huh? He smiled.
Oh,
He just did a big smile.
because his dad's having fun. Uncle and Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Look out. Waving at Daddy. Hello. Some bubbles. Go get him, Louie.
Happy first birthday to a special boy.